Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a concept sheet for interior design. First, understand that a concept sheet is a visual blueprint, a powerful tool to articulate your design vision. It's not just a collection of images, it's a curated story of your project's aesthetic and functional goals. This essential document helps you and your client stay on the same page, ensuring a cohesive and well-executed design. It truly sets the stage for a successful interior transformation. Now, let's dive into the core components of an effective concept sheet. Begin with a captivating mood board featuring images that evoke the desired atmosphere. Next, establish a precise color palette, usually comprising 5 to 7 distinct colors, including neutrals and accents. Don't forget to incorporate material samples, such as textiles, wood, and metal finishes, to convey texture and tactility. Finally, include key furniture and lighting selections, noting their approximate dimensions for spatial planning. Creating your concept sheet involves a structured approach. Start by deeply understanding your client's lifestyle, functional requirements, and aesthetic desires. Then, embark on a comprehensive search for inspiration, collecting images, textures, and patterns that resonate with the project's essence. The crucial next step is curation, meticulously selecting and refining your findings to ensure every element contributes to a unified narrative. Finally, arrange these components thoughtfully on your sheet, aiming for both visual appeal and clear communication. To elevate your concept sheet, focus on refinement and presentation. Ensure a consistent visual hierarchy, guiding the viewer's eye through your design story. Incorporate concise, descriptive annotations for each element, explaining its purpose and contribution to the overall scheme. Always use high-resolution images and maintain a professional, clean layout. When presenting, articulate your vision with enthusiasm and clarity, allowing your passion for the design to shine through. This final polish makes a significant difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.